Chini ketal video release klai tongo video ni mo ungkha Dream Girl ni arwo ani left side tongo Miss Lipika and ani right side tongo Miss Suari nene chung o music video no recently no shoot khai leyo and plan khai mani like almost 1.5 months for plan khai and tangi chung o music video na kotor level o plan khai tong ba launch khai tong obong kha obani comeback music video as earlier jonon samana ni band tong then after band tabo kan solo start khai tong ani career so ketal khai start khai ma bagai ketal khai no joto bai malai ne kaham khai start khai na bagai tini o event no narka ang kai especially ang o ani je o video ni je bahai bahai ke engkha ba tam bahai ke possible engkha sa kaham asat huge kaisa project abang thank you sanai ko ekjon no abong first of all ani je manager Akash Devarma tai abo production members Kishan Donald Sujit and boro always active tong ani logiwo and especially Dasakang music producer tai actress Miss Lipika bono like ang bonang jipro approach khai pro bo gan bo semia kun bo semia bonang saka then bo accept like and our just because borok anu trust kayo that's why borok accept like and I hope project kaham no ang khane wasu go let's see abani pore especially angani sponsors rona thank you sanai first of all Evoke Fashion House Agartala borok always ani music video anu login wo tai o video ni title sponsor ka Zimibo je Agartala ni Katal shopping mall Konel Chomni ganawo abani pore ka brand jewelry partner joton chiniwo Swarna Kamal ni ne abani pore juice bar bo popular already Agartala wo tai drinks partner Timuk Katal Tea Company Chinti Prasani tai refreshment partner Serial Griller aboni pore automotive je gari partner ni semono bongka auto concept rock aboni pore costume fashion corner borobot Katal borok kai chhatro songho borok nebo and for especially Das Hazra and te kaisa special borok abongka Sri Maharaja Pradip Kishore Devarma bonobo bele hamai masane because just because of bini bagai Rasbari should kind of permission mangka tai Sini Raskumari Pragya Devarma bini bagai Chandramala should kind of permission mangka tai abono karibo ani je dancers Simon Srishti Pradeep Tina Tanisha Joysri and the entire team kai onsumno tabuk sung question answer around thala sine tai tukun sana karika so je media houses rokini je paisa paisa jotono nije nije question khai mangka
nongnew
di prasa channel no release khai tong
ani kaisa thumong ang thumuji bini norok ni je music video shooting hajaka amotong khana 1 week hebe 1 month saka bo thai rago norok shooting hajaka
thai kha kaisa khai Rasbari er pore the Palm Resort ni nai mokha Hapania aboni pore Oja Resort Katal Resort aro shoot thaika tai aboni pore Chandramala shoot khaijaka amhaita
Acha tumiti bini yang question music video ni mungka ka Dream Girl so shubro bini Dream Girl sabo and if jodi abo Dream Boy onke Lipika ni Dream Boy sabo
boss sekarang betul
sorry ma di mal tangi ya wani ni Dream Girl ki dong go bas no nang sai man sa ni Dream Girl sabo
Dream Girl ni nai Dream Girl ni bono kas khajaga that means bo phan no I don't know
Hi Shubhajit, this is Sanidhya from Agartala City.
Hello.
So, what is the next plan for Beauty Plus?
Next plan is very secret project.
Yeah,
we can reveal it right now.
something big is coming, right?
Like something big is coming.
Congratulations on the video.
Thank you so much.
Acha Lipika no sunai je ekdom totally new looks not always romantic looks wrong
ang bela next excited tongan tang mo ani agin je character amon character onek different bela no so pula surati not second time baba yang samung khai jong bela yang boy samung khai pula aram nang sa so ang pula bo gan bo khana gan khan i do ka sure tang gi sin bonding thing thing is ka friendship close thang so yeah friendship with bang ye sin sai number ang olo gan khana ka aram nang sa kha
Pun doubt betul maro.
But now I'm quite excited of video bagai ni aja janu puno advice. I hope audience ro basa jaga na.
Acha kok ki pari su Dream Girl je nabo ku release mani or puro message ta kam no ne kom ne
album ni message kesaro beri ni rap part bisa message tongo. Ini sahaja dia mau.
Like kan sana ani rap part ng hagam haise je juak sara bojeng party khaimana with Joyce amo haita.
오 메시지가 비싸도 되는 사람이 통하는 거지.
Rasa kenal naik. Starting kan sen habu. Lyrics. Starting.
Tabang bopok tabu. Okay, kita सबसे बड़े फना सांगे sini.
Main concept story boom hai dream girl.
Main concept story का about totally pop music video about like alada pop boro typical story based on apa ya. About something unique kisah seng like Bollywood drug ni jesen pop video nugo apa hai. So about like angka semana.
Jom tim bukan kasih semua. Amo short film dan album.
About kaisa music video, single music video. About ni but about ni part 2 hai nai. About hope khai tongo next month rogo. Next month rogo jehato love week, lovers only week. We know that Valentine week. So after rogo nailani ta. Let's see.
Sana bisa semua macam logo mati di bawah. No, mana logo orang tahu message na macam is this kind of pop music.
Pop music by hungkai sini controversial topic pun ngi thangono. I don't know, but mas hasine. Sini music belai no similarly thangi tongo tabo. Pop borong music go like kabanga bro robi borno go ba sini typical je pop borong borno go similar type ni music choli tongo Tripura wo. And abu ni bagai angke kisah differently try theka and it is comeback tabani every video ba every music abu joto ni sila kisah different nai different taste lo thang nai because joto na similar man try khele tongo. I thought that like we try khai reason bo tongo because different type of music khai angke choli ya angke choli na bagi man commercially thang angke a music no makhe but jeng angke choli choli athang like kaisa classy nang kuno kaisa start khai na namo so that abu ni pore se bui nai ni
Kita pop semua macam audience rock no ni je 5 friends ni bonding naik na macam kia. Ini amo tay comeback de om no.
Okay, band ni kok neka. Band already this band nang 1.5 year, 2 years no cutting ka. This band nang mani mukai tabuk. Joto na nije nije field dong, nije nije own oke samklai tonga. So abo impossible nang mana for now. Let's see.
Kita kasih semua agi bolno kalau barno choro kerja tak. Jadi ni haters semua nentang sama tu.
Haters ke bokeri kan sama no. Haters mana no critics. Borok like criticize klayo. And a criticize kena orang no nungjepur kasih kaham projective heke borong anin gan no masalah yo. Abo be experience kayak gang life ho. Mukai trolling ni kasih benefit si hani sema no because trolling pun hangkai je borok no sini abo sini nai ampore nini jage je project nini video ramai ya rogo nayo ka bhake ulta indirectly phano nije nini promotion ngo so I am very thankful to my trollers.
আচ্ছা শুভজিৎ जों एमनबो लिपिका नर्माली खूब कम नो बॉक्स हाउ सो जेहेतु रोमांटिक हिरोइन बो ड्रीम गर्ल बो ओखा तो म्यूजिक वीडियो बो द सेम बो नरने म्यूजिक वीडियो रो बास खूब कम नो दे बॉक्सा याकबा बाहाय नो
Ini bonding to abo alada like जों professionally to bonding to no but professional no kari as a friend bela nangoi to bela kabang kok so I don't know sen kok sagai bukur 40 billion wana orang kong kemia but I like I suppose like bo she is very limited person बुझा तो बड़ा भाई like सबके साथ नहीं खुल सकता अभी टाइप की चा माने जे बड़ा भाई comfortable वो भाई न बेशी हमें कौन सा वाप है वहाँ हंकाई तेरा कैसे कौन सा ना वो हंकाई स्वारी जबर मारने नहीं बिनी कैसे band बोलता and all videos especially I'm gonna approach like that and like ketal talent ini saya mana hंकाई वो jadi nunggu ni band ni kau share saya mana jatuh na because baru asal mana hंकाई sini aku because ini first time aku nung share ke sana
2021 ang bukasa ang band form kaya si members like charjona but kasi personal issue ni bagay hanu hai jeng disband nang thangka so tabuk jeng suru dujan member no tabo ang by an partner kesam hang delo ma
okay so next question
Okay, nung apa release ini dang naik?
ini release iko tabuk sini
2 lines of the song.
You are my dream girl, you are my. Okay, that's it. Alright.
Langsung ya, Teh.